Here is a very interesting question from velocity time graph. So in this graph, we have to find out distance and displacement. The question is here, I will read for you. But before that, I want to tell you that in velocity time graph, if you are asked about acceleration, then the gradient or the slope gives the information regarding acceleration. But if you are asked about distance or displacement, you can find out area under velocity time graph, right? So now look at the question very closely and I will read the question for you. Okay, the velocity time graph on an object moving along straight line is shown in the figure, right? Find the net distance covered by the object in time interval between 0 second to 10 second, and also find the displacement in 0 second to 10 second, right? So in this case, we need to look for the area. If you see here, we can find out three geometrical shape. If you're talking about area, this is one triangular shape. Here is also one more triangular shape. And here is one rectangular shape, right? So we need to find out the area under velocity time graph. And all of you know that if you are going to find out the area of a triangular shape, we know that half times of base times of height. And in the case of a rectangular shape, already you know that. So in this case, the first triangle area is given here. I am talking about distance. And for second triangular, the area is given here. And the next one is your rectangle. So when you add all this area, then you find 100 meter, which is the distance traveled by the object, right? When you're talking about displacement, in the case of displacement, the area above the reference line, I mean the time, so this x-axis, or we call horizontal axis. So the area above is considered as positive, this is also positive, and the area below the x-axis or the horizontal is considered as negative, right? The same thing we can apply here. So that you can see this is your positive value because it is above the x-axis, and this is your negative value, and the last one is your positive value, right? So when you add all these, then you get 60 meter, right? I think this is clearly visible to all. Can you write the comment? The question and the entire solution is on the screen. Okay, so now let us move to the next question.